Henry, what do you say to Nana? Okay.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, Mama. And Mama and Hank and Jackson. Love, Nana. Nanny! This is some Nana.
Wow, what else did Nana send?
She sent Bob's belly blankets. That's nothing else.
Are those Spider-Man? Are those for one person, or who's going to go for?
It's for Jackson and Dada and Mama and Henry and Jackson.
Oh my gosh, let me see your shoes. Where are your shoes? Jackson.
Oh, Papa's belly ones. Two Papa's belly ones.
Henry, where's your shoes?